Anyone who spends long hours at a desk knows the feeling: stiff, aching shoulders and neck that never seem to relax. It all starts with posture. When the lower back lacks proper support, the body compensates by leaning forward and rounding the shoulders, forcing the neck and shoulder muscles into constant tension. That's the root cause of neck and shoulder pain. The Sihoo C300 Pro V2 is designed to break this chain at its source. The SyncroFlex Glide System automatically conforms to your spine the moment you sit, ensuring your lower back is never left unsupported. Paired with the self-adaptive dynamic Lumbar Support 2.0, particularly its Sacrum Support mode, it fills the gap between your lower back and the chair when you recline, keeping your entire spine in its natural alignment. Neck and head support requires even more precision. The 3D ultra-wide headrest offers a 28% larger support area with 3-directional adjustments, stabilizing the cervical spine and reducing muscle strain. Meanwhile, the 8D Bionic Armrests feature a unique tilt-up rear section that supports your elbows when using handheld devices, allowing your shoulders to finally relax. Relief starts with a chair that truly understands your body. Back to school, back to focus, up to 50% off.